Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite Mobile on your iPhone from anywhere outside the US. Fortnite remains a hugely popular game, and if you're outside the US, the process can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparation. Before we start, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Also, ensure you have enough storage space available on your device. Step 2. Change App Store region. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Media and Purchases or iTunes and App Store. Tap on View Apple ID and sign in if prompted. Tap on Country Region and then change country or region. Choose the country where Fortnite is available, e.g. Canada, Australia. Agree to the terms and conditions and enter a valid payment method for that region. You can use a payment method from that country or select none. Step 3. Download Fortnite. Once your region is updated, go to the App Store. Search for Fortnite in the search bar. Find the Fortnite app and tap on Get or the Download button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face Touch ID to confirm the download. Step 4. Install and play. Once downloaded, Fortnite will install automatically. Open the app and log in with your Fortnite account or create a new one if needed. Start playing Fortnite on your iPhone from anywhere outside the US. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you can download Fortnite Mobile on your iPhone from outside the US. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and gaming content. If you have any questions or face any issues during the process, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.